Hello kids, welcome back to my channel Learn Science with Yasir Azam. Today we will be continuing the chapter Conservation. This is the last video of the chapter Conservation. Till now we have discussed about deforestation, red data book and different in situ conservations. Today we will be discussing about a very important movement, that is Chipko Andolan or Chipko movement. It was started in 1973. What was the motive of this movement? This movement was started at village of Gopeshwar, Chamoli district in Uttarakhand. At that time it was in Uttar Pradesh. It was started against the commercial logging of the wood. The contractor used to come and they used to cut a lot of trees from the forest in which the people of these villages were living, and the villagers were not allowed to cut down the trees, were not allowed to use the or derive the benefit from that forest. Instead, contractors used to come, they cut down the trees for commercial logging, for making sports goods like bat and different things. And it was really alarming for the people living there, because it was not only deforestation, it was leading to the a very economic loss to the people living there. They were not able to sustain their life. It could have happened that if they would not initiated this movement, the sustainable development must have hampered. So what they did, they started hugging the trees. They used to hug the trees and they say कि मुझे काटो तब पेड़ काटो. So it was a very good initiative and it was all over world famous at that time, and has led a lot of movement in the eyes of environmentalists. Okay. And second incident was happened at Rani village in Garhwal district, and who was the leading lady, or the iconic lady who started it was Gauri Devi of 50 years old. What she had done, she had started hugging the trees, and it motivated other peoples of villages also to hug the trees so that they can protect their trees. And it was then accepted by the government, and government then issued or then passed a law that up to 15 years there could be no cutting of the forest until and unless the forest cover is remaintained or redeveloped. Okay, this was successful movement. Another movement is there in your book, that is regarding the Jodhpur. The king of Jodhpur, Abhay Singh, in 1971 wanted to make his palace. For that he ordered his the Chela Chapatas, he ordered his servants to go and bring the best quality of wood from the forest. Which forest? Or the forest of Bishnois. Bishnoi was the tribal people of that place, Jodhpur, who were living there. In that case, what happened? Amrita Devi was a lady who hugged the trees and said, "You have to cut me before cutting the trees." What happened? The servants were bound to do this because it was ordered by king, and at that time king was not like today's scenario. They were not humble and polite. They were very cruel. Whatever they say, that has to be followed. Though they were soft-hearted also, but the order passed by them was to be strictly followed. So what happened? Amrita Devi just hugged the tree and her daughter as well. So they cut Amrita Devi and her daughter as well. And it kept on going. Around 363 people died in this. And when this news reached to Mr. Abhay, King Abhay, then he feel very bad and he feel very, overwhelmed, and then he decided not to do this. And then he ordered his servant no, stop doing this. So these two movements are very important in people's participation in इससे आपको ये मोटिवेशन ज़रूर मिलना चाहिए कि इनिशिएशन जो है किसी एक इंसान से ही शुरू होता है. समटाइम वी यूज्ड टू थिंक कि बहुत से लोग साथ दें तो हम कुछ कर सकते हैं. नो डाउट बहुत से लोगों के साथ से आप कुछ कर सकते हैं, बट डोंट थिंक कि इंडिविजुअली यू कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग. योर वॉइस इज ऑल्सो काउंटेड व्हेन इट इज फॉर अ गुड कॉज. ओके, the chapter is finished. Now you are free from this chapter. Now you can see the video again and again to clear your concepts. And if you are still confused, you can communicate me via my email yasirasmsq@gmail.com. Other than that, you can drop me a question on comment section. Till then, stay safe, stay at your home, keep working hard. Best of luck.